I'm going to show you how to add buttons to the Merchandise Manager point of sale system. To do that, first select Merchandise Manager 2020. When that appears, log into your company by selecting that first, then your username, usually System Manager. From the main menu, select Utilities, Button Setup. Now this will display all the buttons that display on your point of sale system. First, I'm going to add a button. So you pick one of the empty ones. I'll pick this top right one. Now we need to find an item that will go on that button. So down towards the bottom, I will use the filtering option. And I'm going to look up slushies. I'm going to add 12-ounce slushie to this button. I pick a color. You can see the description is slushie 12-ounce from the inventory. The item number is over here. You press save, and it is finished. Then you hit exit, and you're done. Now, I'm going to also change this same button. I'm going to add another layer of buttons. First, I'm going to delete this slushie because what I want to do is add a button called slushies. And from that button, I will be able to pick different types of slushies. So I'm going to delete this first button, this slushie 12-ounce. I click it. It brings the information over here. I press delete. That button is now deleted. This time, I'm going to pick that same button again. It's all blank. I'm going to turn this into a sub-menu. What this will do, it puts a pound sign in front of it. What I will do is call this slushies. And give it my own description, slushies. Give it a color. I'll go gray with this one. We'll save it. So now that button says slushies. When I select that button, it brings up another set of buttons that are empty. The second menu automatically has a back button added to the bottom right so that we can return to the main buttons. But I'm going to now add each of those slushies into one of these buttons. So I'm going to pick the first button. Again, come down to the filtering. I'll add the 12-ounce slushie to this first button. Give it its blue color. I'll save it. I'm going to select the second button. I'm going to add this 16-ounce slushie to it. And maybe I don't like any of these colors. I will use this change color button. And I will make it something like this. Press save. I now have a secondary set of buttons made. I hit exit and exit the system.